Hey guys, Go2 Airsoft here. This is my first unboxing with you fellow YouTubers. I mean, it's 8:30 at night. This thing just came in. Just got back from hockey. Yeah, that's sort of like already open, baby. Okay, so this is order cost me $250, I think. With everything. So, order thingy. Fuck that. Okay, so I got a clip from my my M4. Trying to get it like it's a tan gun. Trying to get it all black. I just got my suppressor in 2 days ago, so. Or mock sounds here. I mean, it cost me $25, so. I don't even know what this is. I don't even know what that is. Alright, so, Elite Force, thing of 5,000 BBs, 20 grams. Put everything right here that I got. Another 20 grams. More 20 grams. And more 20 grams. So yeah, that's 20,000 BBs right there. To be honest, I couldn't tell you what this thing is. Like, I didn't even order this thing. It's not even in the order kit, so I don't know what that is. Okay, let's get to the gun. Move all this stuff out of the way. The main event. I usually go to the field with, I've only gone to the field 5 times the past couple of years, but I mean, I usually go to Paintball Explosion and I bring my M4. I run 3 batteries with that. 9.6 volt, and then I use a Colt 1911. Actually, not gonna use a Colt anymore. I have another unboxing tomorrow. It's I'll show you guys that tomorrow. So, this is gonna be my backup. It comes. I ordered 2 batteries with it. Nice, you know, CQB type of gun. Really good gun to, you know, look forward to playing with. Shoots around 25 rounds per second RPS. Range is around 380 to 400 FPS, 400 or 350 BBs per mag, full metal, silencer ready. I don't know what that is. I think it's for the orange tip, but this 8.4 volt. Then I ordered this separately. It's a 9.6. So I mean, I got two running with this gun as a secondary. That's pretty good. Definitely use these. Best BBs you guys could probably get in the market. I'm just kidding, fuck these things suck. Mag, that's got like 30 BBs in it, but probably gonna get rid of these BBs. Plastic, polymer, definitely gonna need a new mag. Sort of cheap mag, but and the gun itself. Ew. Okay. Full metal. Definitely. Wow. Definitely a nice gun. Pretty nice gun, actually. Not really a big fan of these sights, but You know, I might get an ACOG site for this. They have the rail system over here. If you guys could see that, I don't know. You can't really see it. It's like special rail that you have to get. Definitely a close quarters gun. As you can see, very small. And you can flip it. Get it a little bigger. Mounts good on my shoulder. Semi full safety. Oh, that's nice. Just stays up for you. Yeah, I mean, let's see if the battery is charged. Give you guys a little test sound of this. Yeah, it's dead, so what else? Could get my LiPo out really quick. Well, let's see. I know this battery is very close to dead. It was dead yesterday when I was shooting my M4. Or not my M4, my other AK. Shittier one, actually. This came in yesterday, actually. Yeah, see, he's dead. Alright, so yeah. Pretty solid gun. I'd say I got my money's worth, but I mean, came with 2 batteries. I guess that's not bad at all. Definitely a full metal gun. Definitely gonna do work to it. Might even put a silencer on this bad boy. Have an extra one, so I mean, or I might put it on my well, whatever comes in tomorrow that you guys. I'm not gonna tell you guys right now. Yeah, just my only concern with this gun is the clip. Not really a big fan of it. Plastic and it's not a good clip. The gun's very nice though, very nice. So please like and subscribe. This is Eka2 Airsoft, and we're out.